The cheerleading squad's getting dressed after a long, hard practice. And the coach comes in and she says, "LATEASHA, we got a photo op. We want some photos, and they'd like you to be in the photos. Can you come with me so we can take some photos for the newspaper or whatever?" And when she leaves, Gina notices that, yeah, her bracelet, her new bracelet, we got it for Valentine's Day, is missing. And Rachel says, "Well, I didn't hear anything out here like anybody coming in and stealing. But, I did hear LATEASHA's music playing. And Amanda says, "Yeah, the other day at cheerleading practice, my necklace disappeared out of my locker here. And LATEASHA's, I'm going to call it what Stone Cold calls it, LATEASHA's hatred noise. She always plays it so damn loud. It was playing back then too." And Aaliyah says, "Well, I know what we're all thinking. She can't help it if she steals more than anyone else, and we shouldn't be thinking that about her, this, that, or the other, but do we want to get our stuff back, or do we want to know? And do we want to know? Or are we just fooling ourselves if LATEASHA did it?" And they decide to go over there and look in LATEASHA's duffel bag there, and sure enough, there's the bracelet, there's the necklace. Guys, I've told you before, when you hear hatred noise, don't call it this type music or that type music. It's not music. I don't care if it's your own music you listen to that's being hateful. It's not music. It's usually played as it's a store owner's way of knowing it's their theft alarm system to go check on who's stealing. So do that and document those who are stealing from us in all kinds of different ways. And come see me in person, because I don't get much comments about this kind of stuff. You gotta talk to me in person to do that.